This month, the theme is cooking for a crowd. I learned this dish while on a business trip at Pakistan. It's a very luxurious dish in terms of the ingredients that will pour into it, as well as the laborious process to make this dish. And because of this, I like to make a centerpiece when I cook for a crowd. So it is a laborious dish in terms of it takes a full whole day to make it, but don't be intimidated by it. You just have to plan a little bit ahead, make sure you have the ingredients with you. So I'm going to pour this in and then soak it. Looks nice, but
It was all for the camera.
I know. Okay, I'm just gonna put water. So it actually cooks faster. That was soaking the lentil. Now we're going to prepare the chicken. With the chicken, we're going to brown the onion first.
It feels like every recipe we start with the
For the onion.
same cutting of onions.
See, now you know onion is the base of most cuisine. Today I'm trying a new pot. It's actually a pot sent by Pretty Major. Thank you for sending. It's a local Singapore company. Very light, it's made of ceramic. So today I'm gonna try to fry onion in it. This you don't have to cut very nicely because later we're gonna blend it anyway. All right, so while that is cooking, here we use chicken thigh. You can also mix in some chicken breasts if you want. It gives a little bit different texture. Put in some red chili powder. Then I bought this Haleem mix. This is actually a mix of red chili, cumin, turmeric, ginger. You don't have to use this if you don't have it. You can just search Haleem mix ratio. Smell it. You know that sour taste? It's actually mango powder. Throw in some yogurt, about like quarter cup. So yogurt always help to tenderize the meat. Okay, this is done. I put this aside. The lentil has been soaked overnight. Throw it in. I put water, garlic ginger paste, green chili, and then let it cook for 2 hours. You can smell the different kind of lentils. You can definitely smell barley, the wheat also, but then there's this garlic ginger flavor and a little bit of a spice. My mouth is watering. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it. So I will not blend completely smooth. I still want some texture to it. Taste some of the lentils or feel some of the lentils. So now we are just searing the chicken before we braise it. The, what do you call it? Miller of veg. Brown it first. Looks good, no? Yeah, I'm going to put in some chicken stocks. First one I cheat. It's actually fried onion, but I just use store-bought shallot. Next one is some lime, ginger slices. I don't know why this dish stood out among all the feasts, or it's just how it's put together. Combination of like porridgey, then with all these fresh condiments. This usually we put big chili, but I don't have big chili because small chili is quite spicy. I'll just take out the seeds. So the sauce is a very nice juicy stock. This gravy, I'm going to pour the lentils with the gravy, and then this chicken I'm just going to shred real quick. This is the laborious part, how it needs to be shredded. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. I think the real dish, they usually shred the chicken a little bit finer. That tastes good. If I'm cooking for a crowd, right, I will put the centerpiece at the front and center. Right? And then the condiment around it. It's all about presentation, I think, a lot of time when you host a crowd. Right? So here I put on a nice cloth, take out the nice plate, and then have the condiment nicely set up. And when the food is ready, either self-serve, I serve for them, it's a whole experience. Flavor oil, we mix it in. Then we put on the garnishing here. I like green chili. Showtime! Thickness and smoothness of the lentil. Then you taste the freshness and the crunchiness of all these condiments. And then, of course, the comforting chicken. It's awesome.